How to recover Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's tutorial I will show you how you can recover your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application. Once you land on the login prompt, there is a link that says forgot your password, so tap on forgot your password. Here it says how you want to reset your password. So according to your preferred choice, you can choose one from here. For now, I will just go towards via email. Then you have to provide your email. Make sure you provide your email that you have access to currently. Once done, tap on send confirmation code. Look up for the confirmation code, and once you are verified, you will land on account recovery page. Again, tap on this text box here and then provide your email address. Then tap on submit. It says we have sent a verification code to your mobile number that you have added in your account. So once you receive the code, type in your correct code right here. Once you enter your code, and if it is verified, you'll be prompted into next page where you can reset your password. Change your password, and once you have changed your password, now you can relog in with your changed password. That's it. That's how you recover Snapchat account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.